Hey guys, today I would like to show you how Wix works. Um, Wix is a very interesting software to make a website for people that are not very techy. So let's go to Wix website. If I can open the page. Okay. So you go to wix.com and you freedom of creating anything. Okay. So you log in. So this is the main screen of Wix. This is my sites. The beauty of this system is that you can make your own website, and after you finish doing the website, you could change the owner to someone else, send it to someone else. So let's say I want to make a website right now. I go to create new website. Choose what kind of website you want to create, and it's very basically next tutorial thing. Like, let Wix CDI create a website for you. Let's say we want something more complex. Create your website with Wix Edit. So here you have to choose a template, site template. So find something nice, This looks nice. Success. So if you click on edit, it's gonna make a new website for you with this template. If you click on new, it's just gonna show you what it is. Um, let's click on edit. They're all free, and they have prices. You see, they have a price. Okay, so let's take most popular. I'm going to places. So if you want, let's take a blank template. So the blank template doesn't have any image in it. I could do this. I click at edit. I click on edit, it opens a new website for me. It's very fast, and it's a big company. They have like the last time I heard a video, and they have like 1,600 employees in Tel Aviv or whatever in Israel, and they're very community oriented. They have a lot of GitHub free projects, open source that you could use and download for your own thing, and they have like what they call Wix engineering. Wix engineering is where they share their knowledge of software engineering, so other companies could benefit. So they're very into community, very into open out and everything. It's a very good company, and you can make something very basic without knowing anything, like something very nice also. But if you want to go more advanced, you could even do programming with JavaScript. Write your page, your related code here, whatever it is. So this is a blank page. I mean, let's try to see what it looks like. So this is the preview. By the way, now I have a page. If I go to, let's say I go to wix.com, like the main page, right? wix.com. If I go to the main page, you'll see that on my dashboard, I have this new website that I just created, right? My site, whatever it is, not published. So you see, everything is free as long as you don't have a domain name. Like here, it's like donate613.com. So this is premium and it costs money. This is software770.com. This is premium, it costs money. This one is Wix address, so it doesn't cost money. So everything in Wix is free as long as you don't pay for premium services. Like they have premium services. So let's go back to the website that we're working on. Select and edit site. Again, this was my login page, right? My first page. I just want to show you that once I use a template to edit, it becomes a website in my thing. Payment problem, your renewals will fail, blah, 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 blah. This is because I have premium plans that I didn't want to continue, so they couldn't charge me for that. Okay. Set up your site. So here you see they tell you different information about the site now. So how do I go to publish, edit, settings, publish, skip? You see how I go back to edit. It's very straightforward. You look at the stuff and you'll see what you need to do right away there and then. All the options are here. So site actions, edit site, right? I clicked on the site and let's go back. I went to my main page login after I logged to Wix, and then I click on select edit page, edit site, whatever it is, and then I have all sort of information about the site. Like sidebar and all sort of stuff that to do. This is completed out of 1 out of 4. 50% off for publicity. And if I want to edit the site, I just go here and says edit site. Basically, this is like how you get into editing the site. Once the editor opens up, it's very, very simple and very, very easy to do whatever you want to do because everything is there. It's like here we have. Let's do a preview. Let's see how the site looks like. Yeah. So this is the way to add your own text. This is the way the site looks like once it's published. Let's go back to the editor. This is like I might title click here to this is just to show you how it works, but they just put the text there for you to know what you have to do. And my title, whatever it is, blah blah blah. It's not you don't click on this and it's gonna change something. It's like so I clicked on go back to editor, and here you can choose you can choose different applications that you can put directly in your site. Like you can put a chat. Select a chat and you can put a chat directly. Like quiz chat, add chat. And right now there's a chat in your thing, your website. I don't know where it is exactly, but if you play with it, you'll find it. So if you look at the right side here, let me just move this a bit. You'll see different pages. Okay, so if I go to contact, this is how the contact page looks like. If I go to services, those are the pages that we have. This is the services looks like. And the text, you see text, you click here to add text. If you want to change the text, you just double click. Well, I double click. Let's say to click. Let's try to click. I click. Oh, it isn't a click. It was just selected to move it. So let's double click, and then hello. Those are our services. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So if I go now preview, I can see. I can just go to the home page. I can see that I can click on services and gallery and services. You can see the text that I just put. It's very, very straightforward. Each one of these links is a page. Let's go back. See, back to editor. Let's go back to the editor. It's the easiest thing to work with. The menu here is what you could do on your page to modify it. And this is the pages here, list of pages. What is public? I don't remember. And new file. So this is to put files, I guess. Backhand, this is a new web module. Okay, I guess. Node module. Oh, you can do very advanced stuff for this. You can install a node modules. Let's see. You can upload on Google Cloud. Very interesting. Very interesting. Cool stuff. Okay. So let's add a new page. Go here. Click on a plus. Click on a plus. And you add page. And this is the new page. So let's call this tutorial. Go to the page, tutorial. Let's put a menu. 9. Add site menu. It's not that complicated. Choose a preset. Add site. Skip and go to the editor. Now we have theme menu. I don't know what exactly it did. Let's see if preview is there. Oh, he added a page with the theme thing. Okay. See, tutorial has been added because it's one of my pages. It's empty. Go back to the editor. Let's put some stuff in the tutorial. So, menu and pages, no. Page background. So let's put a video. I like this one. Just click on it and you put it. And then let's go to I forget. Let's put some text. You choose which text you want. You put use title. You can't see it because of the water. It's too dark. So let's. By the way, this is my chat. We had a chat to the system. So this is the chat we just had. You can see it here. Huge title. Let's try to change the color. I think in order to change the color, you need everything is straightforward. Properties. Properties. Collapse.